Thank you, Chair. Colleagues, I am glad that we have this debate today. I hope an open and public debate on the EU accession to the European Convention on Human Rights, but also on the so-called reform of the European Court of Human Rights, as the two issues are closely connected. On the EU accession to the European Convention, today we are in a situation of violation of the treaties, and notably of Article 6, that makes such an accession binding. The file is stuck in the Council due to the objections of the UK government and partially of the French government. On the so-called reform of the European Court of Human Rights, the UK chairmanship of the Council of Europe is now, as we speak, holding a conference in Brighton where several proposals are being discussed. I cannot stress enough how worried the European Court of Human Rights, the NGOs and human rights defenders are about some of these proposals. If accepted, this counter-reform would severely diminish the rights of the victims of human rights violations. More than 60 MEPs have signed an appeal I have promoted in the European Parliament on these issues, and many national MPs did the same. Let me also express concern on the fact that these two issues are being dealt with without any transparency. The Council examines séance documents that are not accessible to the public and do not even appear on the registers. This is a violation of the regulation on access to documents. The Brighton Conference drafts are accessible only because of leaks. Neither the public nor the NGOs have been consulted. This is not the way we should deal with fundamental rights issues in Europe. I think it is time for the Commission and the Council to make this clear to all Member States. I appeal to the UK government to change its position and let the EU apply the Lisbon Treaty obligations, and I trust that my colleagues here will make their utmost to ensure this happens. Thank you.